I have this faux leather that came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take a leaf paper cutout that I have, and I'm going to trace it on the back side of the leather. Here I'm using a chalk marker to trace it so I could see the white outline, and then I'm going to cut it out. Now I'm going to be using 4 different colors of the faux leather. I have a navy blue, an ivory, a brown, and a black. And again, these all came right from the Dollar Tree. You can cut different shapes of the leaves out if you want. I'm going to stick with the same pattern. And I cut 2 leaves per color. So in the end, I had a total of 8 leaves. Now, here are the different shades of the faux leather. And I found these wood letters at Hobby Lobby. You can find them in the wood section. And I'm going to spell out the word grateful. These are about 1.5 inches. And I'm going to paint them with some Wise Owl Dijon. This is a pretty golden yellow color. Now you could pick any color of your choice. And I'm going to give them a really good coat of paint. Next I have some popsicle sticks, and I'm going to glue them on the back side of each leaf. This is just going to kind of make it a little more firm. That way the leather isn't curling all the way up and isn't too floppy. And I did that on the back of each leaf. I'm just using hot glue to hold them in place. And then I'm going to take each leaf and I'm going to glue the stem onto a piece of jute. I'm going to start with the brown, then the navy, then the ivory, and I'll finish with the black, and I'll repeat that pattern a second time. And I'm leaving about 1/2 inch between each leaf. And the hot glue seems to be holding fine. You can also use some E6000. I then have some raffia. I'm going to make a bow for each leaf using the raffia. I get this roll from Hobby Lobby. You can also sometimes find this at the Dollar Tree. Once my paint was dry, I'm going to glue a letter onto each leaf, and then I'm going to add the little raffia bow to the top. I'm going to go across each leaf and repeat the same thing. And there you go. When we're all finished, we're going to have this really nice faux leather leaf banner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage as well. Have a great day.